called the Skills Band. What it does, it develops muscle memory to not toe bash and to use your laces. So this thing vibrates. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you on this fence. So you're going to watch me. I'm going to show you. This is going to be right, and the other one is going to be wrong. This is going to be right. That was right. I felt the vibration. This is wrong. I kicked it with my toe. You're not supposed to kick with your toe. You kick with your laces so you can feel the vibration. The vibration goes on when you kick it with your laces.
What rating do you give it? On stars.
But this is a 5-star review.
You like it?
Yes. And I'm Kayla Shirley. I'm 7 years old, and I hope you like this video.